Welcome back to the Lori J. Rich channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a funnel in System.io. If you're interested in using System.io, there will be a link in the description. So as you're logged into your account, you will come up here to Funnels and click on Funnels, and it will bring you to this page. So over here, you will have your funnel name, whether it's active or not, the creation date, and you can view the sales funnel. You can share the funnel with someone else. And in the settings, you will have the name, what domain it's connected to, and the currencies. And then you do have the option to duplicate it and to deactivate it. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to come up over here and click on Create. And I'm just going to call this one Test. So you do have some options down here to build an audience, sell, custom, or run an evergreen webinar. So for this purpose, we're going to choose custom, and right here you get to choose your domain. I am going to use just System.io's domain that they give you when you sign up for a free account. And then here you choose your currency and click on Create. Now you'll notice here you're taken to a page where it says it's an inactive page and you don't see anything right here. You first have to create a step. So for this example, we're going to create an opt-in page and choose the step type, and we're going to choose squeeze page, and we'll click Save. And then you're going to be brought some templates. Now you can't start from scratch from a blank, so you have to choose a template. So since this is going to be just a simple opt-in page, I'm going to select this one. And then you'll notice you have some setup configurations here. This shows the URL path and the subdomain portion in which you'd be able to copy the link. If you want to change this portion, you can, and then click on Save. But from this standpoint, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to our opt-in page, and we'll come over here and click on Edit Page. And so you'll notice you have your page here. Now you'll notice it already has a background. And so the first thing that I typically do is I remove the background. So I come up here and go to Settings, and come down here to background, and I will delete it. And so for this example, I am just going to set it to be a color. So we'll just set it to black. You can upload your own image if you would like. And then, so now we're going to start working on the modification of the wording and the name in the email and the button. So up here, you'll notice when you click on it, you get an orange, and this is the text area. So we can double click on it. Whoops. My cursor doesn't like to move. And we're just going to put test. So we'll enter in that, and then you can highlight it. Up here you can make it bold. You can have a clickable link. So we'll go to bold, and then over here on the left you'll see your font size, so you can make it big or small, and you can change your line height on how close you'd like them together, and then you can choose your fonts. So also what you can do is, so let's say I want this portion to be a different color. I'm going to highlight it, and let's just choose red. So in this same example is what you did up here. And then with this, we can leave this alone because it's just a simple form input. This is where you're going to want to change things. You would come down here and you would click on the settings. So you'll notice in the left-hand side, action when button is clicked. You want it to have send form. because what that's going to do is it's going to add them to your contacts. And if you have your email set up to go out automatically, it will be emailed out as soon as they click on the form, but it could take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now from this point, you can have them go to the next step if you're going to have a multi-page funnel system, or if you're promoting something, let's say that you found off ClickBank, you can send them to a custom URL and enter it down here. So I'm just going to go to the next step, and here's where you can center it, and you can change the naming. Let's say get your free ebook now. And then you can change the font size, you can change the font type and the background color. So let's just go with a blue. So at this point, your simple opt-in page is pretty much done, other than changing the wording. Like I said, if you want to have different more pages after that, like a bridge page or a thank you page, you can create them. So here you would click on Save Changes, and then if you want to preview it, just click on the eye, and you will notice that you have this yellow bar up here that says this is preview mode, and you can close that and you can see a full preview of your page. So we're going to go ahead and close that, and then we're going to exit out. And that is your simple basic opt-in page. And from here, you can create rules right here. You can only create 2 on this page, but in another video, I'm going to show you how to create rules. So if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, click the notification, and if you're interested in using System.io, there will be a link in my description. One last thing about your funnel here is you'll notice down here in the lower left, you'll see your desktop view and a mobile view. If you click on the mobile view, you will be able to see how it looks on the mobile version, and you can click up here and you can make changes and save it to be optimized for mobile use. So if you like this video, click on subscribe, click the bell for notifications to get notified when new videos are out.